G'day, it's Andrew here from About Windows, windowfilm.com.au, and today we're in Canberra City and doing what we often do, which is putting on some office privacy. And in fact, if I hear the words fishbowl one more time. Anyway, we're putting on some office privacy here, and when we put film on, people often ask us, can you cut some sort of pattern? And if you've been to our website, windowfilm.com.au, then you'll have seen some of the many designs, and some of them are quite intricate, and some hand-cut patterns that we do. Now, here we've got a very special pattern, which we've done many times before, and I'm just removing the section here where it joins over the silicone at the edge of the glass. And there we have it. We call this one Polar Bears in a Snowstorm. It's one of our most popular patterns. Have a good day.